welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about a skincare routine. So we're going to make a mask with the products that are very easily available in your kitchen, and the mask will help you give a healthy glow on your face. So watch the full video to see what all products are we going to use. So let's get started. So start by washing your face with a regular face wash that you use every day. Pull back your hair so that it doesn't come on your face, and let's see what all we need for this mask. So first thing that you need is coffee. Take about half tablespoon of coffee. Add half tablespoon of turmeric powder, that is haldi, and lastly you would need about half tablespoon of yogurt, that is curd. Just mix all of them together to form a thick consistency pack. It shouldn't be very thin, otherwise it will drip all over your neck and your clothes. Apply it with the help of your fingers or a brush on whole of your face. Also apply it on the under eyes. Coffee acts as a depuff for the under eyes. So if you have that kind of concern for your under eye bags, this is a great mask for you. And otherwise, coffee helps in giving glow on your face. Turmeric acts as an antiseptic and prevents acne and lightens any blemishes on your face, and yogurt gives you good hydration and moisturization. And in the end, you can also use a little bit on your lips, because coffee acts as a great exfoliator for the lips as well. So it will give you nourishment on the lips and moisturization. So you can leave this mask on for about 20 minutes. So guys, 20 minutes are up, and now I'm gonna wash my face. Just make sure that you rinse it thoroughly and use a good face wash. So the skin already feels very soft and supple. Just use a good moisturizer and sunblock right after rinsing your face, and rinse thoroughly because the turmeric might leave yellow stain on your face, and you're good to go. You can follow this routine twice a week to get best results, and trust me, the lips also feel very soft. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Do give it a try and tell me in the comment section how you like the mask and how it is working for you. And I hope it is as beneficial to you as it is to me. So come back for more videos. Do like and subscribe to my channel and share this video, and see you soon. Bye bye.